Hi, everyone. This is Chris with ChrisHaynesTraining.com. And today I would like to talk about the best affiliate programs for 2021. And today I'm going to focus on two affiliate programs. There are a lot of them out there, but these are the two that are probably the best to get started with. First of all, what is an affiliate program? What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you are selling other people's or other companies' products. You don't own the product, someone else does, and you send traffic to them, whether paid or free traffic. And anytime you make a sale, you get commissions through them, and they handle all of the customer service. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is Amazon. It's a good one for beginners in particular because everyone knows Amazon. They're a trusted brand. They're pretty easy to work with. And all you do is go to Amazon Associates. You can just Google them, or you can go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. There is an easy sign-up process. You go in, you sign up, and then you can be an affiliate for anything that Amazon sells. So let's say you were selling this Amazon Alexa. If you promote it on a website or a YouTube video or Facebook or wherever else, someone goes to Amazon and purchases, then you would get a commission from that. What's great about this also is that you get commissions on anything the person may buy. So if you do a review or a recommendation of an Amazon Alexa and the person buys a lawnmower or a television, you would also get commissions on that, which is really great because how many people just go to Amazon and buy one thing? It's pretty common that people will buy multiple products, and if they buy through your link, then you get a commission on all of it. So that's great. The downside to Amazon is their commissions aren't all that high. It's just a few percent. It goes up as you go up in sales and go up in price. The commissions can get higher, but you do have to sell quite a lot in order to make money. So if you think about it, if you sell a $25 product and you get 5% of that, that's not very much. So again, anything that you would sell on Amazon, if you're a part of their affiliate program, it's a great way to get started. The other one that I would like to recommend is Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is strictly digital products, and you can just about any kind of digital product that you can think of is sold on Clickbank. So if you go through here, you can see the types of products that are sold: arts and entertainment, there's business and marketing, there is health and fitness, so there are diet courses, workout programs, just about anything that you can think of in the digital space. If you go to clickbank.com, go to their marketplace, and you go to the search bar here and just click on the search icon, this is going to bring up the top rated products. So you see this first one is Resurge, which is a weight loss product, and you see the average sale is $107. So you can go on and just click promote, and you can, once you've signed up with Clickbank, which is free, they would give you a username. You can go in here and click to create a link. It's very easy. There are some products that require you to be approved by them, but a lot of them you can just go in and click and create your link and you're ready to go. Put it on your website. But this shows you the top selling products. Now, what is the downside of Clickbank? Clickbank can get kind of saturated because these top products, there are lots and lots of people selling them. So you really need to kind of do some research and find items that have a good commission rate, but maybe not everybody is promoting them. You also will see that this kind of leaderboard of the top products will change often. Research has been a big one for a long time, but as lots and lots of people are promoting this, customers start to see it more and more, see it advertised, the sales can drop off. So you continually have to be finding new products. With something like Amazon, there are so many products to choose from that you never run out, essentially. Clickbank can be the same way, but don't expect that when you find a winning product that you would be selling it for years and years. The turnover is pretty high with these items. But again, Clickbank, they handle all the customer service. You don't have to worry about any of that. Refunds they handle. You don't talk to the customers. Everything is handled by them. With both of these programs, with Amazon and with Clickbank, there is a wait time before you get your commissions. So it's not like you sell something and then the money is going to be in your bank today. It's usually a couple of weeks that you wait. And also, Clickbank holds back a certain amount, about 25% of what you get in commission for a certain time frame. I think it's 90 days, in case you have a lot of refunds. So you have to keep that in mind. If you're doing paid advertising, that is a part of your budget. So again, to reiterate, for beginners, I would really recommend starting out with Amazon and Clickbank as your one or two affiliate marketplaces, affiliate programs. To get more in-depth training, check out the links in my description. I have what I recommend as the best course to really learn affiliate marketing in depth. And also there's a link to my site, chrishainestraining.com, where you can see more videos like that, more videos like this, read reviews of other products and other tips and tricks. Make sure to click like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notifications. I'm Chris. Thanks for watching.